video is strictly for educational purpose only. We are educating the public about information found freely online. Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys what in my opinion is the best IPTV service. In my opinion, NUOPTIONTV is the best IPTV service right now. Compare that to Gears TV, Beast TV, Baiters TV, Nitro TV, Obey Stream, and Blur Vision TV, which they are arguable and they could be ranked as well on the top 10 IPTV service. What I like about NUOPTIONTV is that you get live chat and email support. For $10, you get 2 devices, no contract, no commitment. Their email is fast, so it's a fast delivery of their email containing the user information. Usually you get that in 3 hours, so you need that email to be able to set up the application and be able to stream. They have over 1,000 premium channels, premium networks, TV shows, sports, and live TV. What are the requirements? Basically, you need internet service. I suggest you at least have 10 megabits per second to be able to get that high quality stream. If you have anything below that, then you will definitely have a hard time streaming at HD quality. They only support Android devices, so you could basically load the application on any Android device, and we recommend using the Amazon Firestick device. You will have to register on their website, NUOPTIONTV.com, and create a free account. And then you will need to go ahead and sign up for one of their plans. They have a 24-hour, 3-day, 7-day, and month-to-month subscription. And the month-to-month subscription is $10 per month. So what's included with their package? Basically, you could watch TV on any Android device. You could stream over 1,000 channels, including sports and premium networks. You could even record locally to your device storage. And again, for $10, you could activate 2 devices only on Android. So we're gonna show you next how it looks, how the interface looks, how the menu looks, and how easy it is to use this IPTV service. Alright, so I have my NUOPTIONTV application set up on my Firestick. And to install the application, they send you an email along with the process, so you could go to their website and check it out. And their website again is NUOPTIONTV.com. Here's a preview of their website. You could definitely go over and read more about it. Alright, but on the Firestick, you basically have the application here called IPTV Smarters. And once you set it up, you'll be able to stream the categories that you see there, which is live TV, movies, and series or TV shows. 2 things I like about this service is many other services that I signed up for or that people have commented on is that there's too many affiliates, and affiliates make their own website, and sometimes you can't find their own centralized or main website to be able to subscribe to the service. With NUOPTIONTV, they got their own main centralized website where you wouldn't have to worry about not getting the information or the email that you need to be able to set up the application. And the other thing that I like is that they have a guide that you could install and see what's playing for what time frames. Okay, so basically once you click on live TV, at first it tries to download all the information, but you go back and then click on it again, And this is how the main menu looks for live TV. So you have different categories to choose from. If you're a sports fan or a sports junkie, you could definitely check this out. And once you click on any of the categories, you will be able to see in alphabetical order all the channels that it provides. Another feature that is cool is that you could favorite your channel. So if you don't want to go down through the list, you could start favoriting your channels and you can find them in the favorite option. So again, because there's 1,000 channels, so I'm pretty sure you won't watch all of them. So this is how it looks. I do recommend checking out this service because it's one of the best services I've seen so far. For $10 for 2 devices, I think it's definitely worth the money. If you have any suggestions or if you have any questions, any comments, leave your comment below. I'll definitely check them out. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to my channel.